not doing it this long. Next time, if anyone does this, make sure you have help. Yep, make sure you have help. Now I'm going to tighten this thing back up. Put it around here somewhere. We'll go back to 19. There we go. Found it. On this side, we only need that one extension. So, with this 19 mil on this side, hold it in. Chow down. Crank. Right. What it says right here, from what any drag racers only, go to the bottom. That'll be fun. Beating this thing up in there. But they say 3 notches. They kind of just have you test the fun of it. So a lot of auto X. Okay, what I was saying before, my battery went dead on my other GoPro. And I had to go take a bathroom break. But as I was saying, with this bracket in here, this right here, they say go back towards the factory style. It's usually good for a lot of street driving and autocross. But they say all 3 settings is just play with yourself, with this one being the straight drag. So we're going to try to just go ahead and stick with the first bolt, just get the proportion back on it, and we'll continue doing our thing. And get some of that grease. Leftover grease. Get this thing started. That's all we needed. I just had to undo it a little bit. It's not these the same one. Oh damn, they are. Okay, cool. But since I already had the UMI bracket, I don't have to use these. We're just using these that are going in the actual sleeve. Put this on this. Front washer on this right here. Now, funny thing is, this is definitely not a 19. New. By the time, I'd probably actually swap out the panhard bolts. Should right back up in there. Now it looks like we're gonna have to push it forward. So I could probably say we'd have to. Enough. That is enough. And I'll put the washer in right there. Just like that, smooth as silk. Right. And right there, ladies and gents, we are finished. We have the whole UMI rear end done. The only thing I haven't done is a torque arm, which I still have stuff like that to do. But since it's a little bit different, because I found out with the rear end, but the whole thing is done. All right. Now move on to the transmission mount. 17. Oh, lucky 17. Means the rest of these are 17. Nope. I'm gonna place you right there, get you out of the way. I'm just gonna get rid of this mount. Actually, it's already energy suspension. Interesting. Alright, so as we see, this bushing is gone. This actually is already energy suspension bushing, which is good, but it didn't have the backing plate on it. So from what energy suspension says, without the actual support plate, or not actually being a spacer, it needs to have that. This didn't have it, that's probably why it was bad. So we're gonna get this in here with the new one, red, and then get the backing plate in there and we'll get in there. So let's rock and roll. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Soon I'll have to change that stamp. Alright. Put this right up in there. Finger tighten it. Fortunately, energy suspension only came with one screw, and that's the one to go up in here from the brace. So, but, oh, your backing plate. All right. Put this back up in here. Move the wires out of the way. Don't be a dumbass like me. You find out it goes this way. Alright, cool. You got it. Okay. So, it comes with a new washer, a lock washer, and a regular washer. I want to go in just like this. So once we get this bond back up in here, goes back up, we're gonna put it right in the center the way it was. Alright, that'll hold that sucker right there. Or wait a second. I bet you I know why. This whole transmission's gotta go up higher. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. How much higher that thing needs to go. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. The transmission, that's how bad the bushing was. That's what we needed. I'm gonna have to drop it just a little bit down, but let's go ahead and get this thing up here. It may line up once we get these in here.